previous verse it was Vishwa Sakshi. Which Vishwa? The waking Vishwa, the dream Vishwa and the deep sleep Vishwa. All three are called Vishwas. Yeah, because you manufacture an idea about it. Yes, it's our Vishwa. The idea is the Vishwa. The knowledge is the Vishwa. Yeah, you have the waking knowledge, which is the waking Vishwa, the dream knowledge, which is the dream Vishwa, and you manufacture your own deep sleep knowledge. I was absent. You were absent, then who knows? Nothing happened there. Obviously, you were there in the deep sleep state. Yeah? You've manufactured a story about the deep sleep state. That's the deep sleep Vishwa. Vishwa simply means world. Waking world, dream sleep, deep sleep world. It's been translated already into English.
There are two questions, but I think they can be merged into one. One question is about the difference or the boundary between Turiya and Shushupti, and the other question is about how to differentiate dreaming and waking state.
Okay. Till the time I see only three states, waking, dreaming and deep sleep. Yeah. Then I just have a belief that Sushupti is the absence of the waking and dreaming. This is only a belief, intellectual, not experiential. When I practice Swapna Nidra Jnana Sadhana and see, oh, I am the space in which these three arose. The waking arose, disappeared. Dream arose, disappeared. Absence of waking and dream was experienced as nothingness. I, the space of awareness, am constant, I'm always there. This is Turiya. Did you get it? Just knowing about Sushupti, talking about Sushupti is intellectual. When you recognize, no, I am the fourth, the space of awareness, then you have recognized Turiya. I've done this in Ramana Maharshi's Nature of the Self. If you've not joined, you can still join. They have a weekly session, I think, going on Zoom. They've done just the first self-inquiry meditation, nothing else. This has been covered in Nature of the Self session by Ramana Maharshi. He has talked in depth about what is Turiya, what is Turiyatita, what are the three states. It's a weekly Zoom session. You can join that. I don't know, on Thursdays, Fridays, I don't know when is it. You can ask the volunteers.
If I may say, Mandukya Upanishad also goes in that.
Yes, Mandukya Upanishad, the videos are not yet fully edited. They are in process. But Nature of the Self already is edited. The videos are playing every week. So they can do it this week itself.
The second part was about differentiating dreaming and waking state, and there is a sub-question to it. Is it waking state only when I realize I am now?
Beautiful. Well, there is no waking state. From your question, I know you are at a higher level. There is no waking state. There is no dream state. There is no deep sleep state. Stories of the mind, just created. Labels put on one single abstract painting. When you recognize I am now, there is no past, no present, no future. You're recognizing there is no waking, dreaming and deep sleep. Yes, I am now. I am the witnessing space. In fact, this witness also collapses. We'll do that in the higher chapters. We're not there yet in Ashtavakra. But from your question, I know you can see it. This witness also collapses. The higher witnessing space. That is what is the now. When you recognize I am now, then there is no waking, no dreaming, no deep sleep. So when there is no waking, There is no question of when I am now. There is no when. You always are the now. Just putting on blinders. Okay, play. You want to play hide and seek. Keep playing. How long will you play? One day you will get bored of this game. One day. I am waiting here. Don't worry. I'll take care of you. Keep playing. Right here, standing right by your side. When you are tired of the game, when you get really, really fed up, you yourself will be ready to drop the blinders and see the truth. Yeah? So there is no question of when I am the now. I am now. There is no I am also. It's just for the sake of communication that the point needs to be communicated, that it is spoken of that way. There is only the now. This is the highest truth. Yeah? Ashtavakra will take us there. Meticulously he takes us there. But provided you do your part, your Swapna Nidra Jnana Sadhana should be very strong. Clear? Chalo. So I'll see you tomorrow. Keep doing your sadhana.
Last question. It's very interesting. I am not the doer, so I cannot label the image in front of me as Ekta Ji. I cannot see forms in abstract art. Is all conditioning just knowledge?
Correct. Superb. 10 on 10. All conditioning is simply knowledge. Like you have the knowledge of the dream tiger. There is no real dream tiger. There is no real bite of the tiger. There was no real death of you because of the bite of the dream tiger. All of it was knowledge. Similarly, there is no Ekta on the screen. There are no Advaitans. There is no world. There is simply knowledge. There is simply knowledge of this particular single screen sort. They are not individual objects also. Knowledge, knowing knowledge. This is a beginner level thing. One day even this is going to drop. Because you're at chapter 1, it's a concession to say knowledge is knowing knowledge. That is also not true. But it's good as a stepping stone so that you drop away the idea of individual objects. But remember, this is a stepping stone. This also Ekta is going to pull away from your feet one day. Yeah? But we'll get there when we get there. At level 1, at chapter 1, knowledge is knowing knowledge is good, a stepping stone. Good? Chalo. I will see you tomorrow. Keep doing your sadhana. Bye-bye.